Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today's recipe is the potato and sprouts chaat. This is healthy and tasty. So to begin the making of the recipe, I will take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok, and when the oil is warm, I'm going to add 2 potatoes cut into cubes. And now I'm going to cook this till it's half cooked. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of roughly chopped garlic in the oil. I didn't wanted the garlic to cook more, so I'm adding them in between frying of the potatoes. This will keep the garlic mild. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree straight into the wok. This is going to make a nice gravy. Add a little bit of water to deglaze the wok as well as for the potatoes to cook. And give this a nice and gentle mix. Now I'm going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high heat. Meanwhile, add the seasonings. I'll start with salt to taste, then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, next half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and then half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of curry powder. And now mix all the ingredients together nicely. And if you want to add any other spices of your choice, then just go for it. When the potatoes are cooked, I will add 1 cup of sprouted green moong and brown chickpeas straight into the wok and mix them properly. Here I will add a little bit of water so that the chickpeas are cooked nicely. And I will just let them to cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Once the potatoes and sprouts are cooked properly, I will take them out in a bowl. So the sauteed potatoes and sprouts are ready, and now I am going to make the chaat. And to make the chaat, first I will put some chopped cucumber on the top of it. Just make the chaat as you make in your home. Then handful of chopped onions. Next 2 tablespoons of sour curd to give that nice tangy taste. Then 1 tablespoon of sweet tamarind sauce. Just spread it all over. Next coriander and mint sauce 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now on the top, add a pinch of roasted cumin powder, 1 to 2 pinch of black salt, then pinch of red chili powder to make it a little spicy, and on the top a tablespoon of sweet curd, and finally garnish with handful of fried gram flour noodles or bhujia with roasted papad. This is looking yum. And now it's time for me to enjoy the potato sprout salad. So thank you for watching All Lite Food. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment and share the video with your loved ones. And to know how to make homemade bhujia, do check the description box. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.